Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So today we are going to share about how to create origami. Before that, let us explain more about the origami. So let's start.
Origami originates from China and was popular in Japan. It is the art of paper folding. In Japanese, ori means folding and gami means paper. What's so great about folding paper? The kind of paper folding we are talking about here is the same as merely folding a piece of paper to fit in your pocket for portability. What we are talking about here is folding paper into birds, butterflies, and cats. Origami is more than just paper folding. It's paper transforming, it's paper magic, and it's art. Origami can range from the super complex with the realistic model to the simple models that are easy and simple. Many studies assert that origami was invented by the Japanese about 1,000 years ago, but its roots may well be in China. It is also highly probable that the process of folding was applied to other materials before paper was invented, so the origins of recreational folding may be with cloth or leather. However, paper has proved to be the ideal material to fold, and so it is logical to assume that paper folding followed the discovery of paper making process. Paper was invented in China, and a Chinese court official, Cai Lun, has been traditionally credited as the inventor, though the contemporary research suggests that paper was invented earlier. However, Cai is known to have introduced the concept of sheet of paper about a year ago. Japanese paper makers improved the quality of paper still further, and the quality of paper would have been suitable for folding.
I'm going to explain some advantages and disadvantages of origami. Firstly, advantages of origami. Number 1. Practice of origami can be beneficial to our health. Origami is one avenue that provides both mental and physical stimulants with exercise. Origami helps develop hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and mental concentration. The use of hands directly stimulates area of the brain. Secondly, origami promotes social skills, which is origami is a powerful tool to build necessary social skills among kids. Here, children and adults come together to learn, create something original. And then we're going through the disadvantage of origami. Firstly, origami needs a guidance for a beginner, which is there is a need to be a proper guidance to take them through the various simple as well as complicated steps required to have a pleasing result. It might not be possible for everyone to avail that guidance. Lastly, it might happen wastage of paper. If a person fails at origami, the paper gets wasted.
Hello everyone, my name is Pavithra. Today I will be explaining about the use of origami in real life. There are several uses of origami and I will be explaining 5 of them. The very first one would be the architectural and civil engineering. The use of origami in architecture and civil engineering is used to manufacture the miniature models of bridges and stadiums. Secondly, it has been used in medicine, where paper folding techniques are used to embody the cell membrane protein and are also used in modeling of DNA samples. The third one would be mechanical engineering, where origami techniques were used in the pipes of Japanese high-speed train. In pipe support were used to absorb excess pressure, thus reducing the risk of accidents. Fourth one is in mathematics, where some teachers currently use origami as an educational tool that helps to clarify geometry, explaining fractions, and also solving problems. Last but not least, the fifth one is used in art classes and arts. origami is being sold as decorative items, and also it has been used in art class as a lesson to students to learn. Thank you.
Origami really helps us to be creative, right? As well as following models, we can always expand or adapt them. We can follow our impulse and create our own design from scratch. So, let me share some tips and tricks on how to create origami. The first step is slow down and give yourself enough time to finish a model. Yes, it exactly takes a longer time than you think. Next, if you don't have any square origami paper, don't panic, because actually you can create a square from a rectangular paper. Then, if you are in the first time to try a new design, you have to remember you have to use a larger sheet than usual, because for me it's make more easier. And the last tips from me, if you are really get stuck, remember you have to refold with a new sheet, because if you are using the same paper, you might confuse which line that you have to follow. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Today I'm going to demonstration on origami cat. Things we need is a marker pen and then square sized color paper. Firstly, we need to fold the paper into a triangle shape this way. Same goes to the other side. And then we have to make a small triangle like this, and then we have to follow this step, fold over here, same as here, and then we're going to do ears for cat, so we have to fold like this way, same here. And then lastly, we have to draw eyes and nose for the cat. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, now I will be showing the steps of making origami water lily. So we actually need the paper, a piece of A4 paper and a pen knife. Now I will be showing the step. First of all, we take the A4 paper and fold it into a rectangle shape. And once we already fold it into a triangle shape, we need to cut out the balance paper out there. So once we cut the paper, and then we will have a square shaped paper. With the square shaped paper, we have to fold it into 4 and we will see a small square. And then we need to take out the paper so we able to see the lines. With the lines, we follow the line and we have to fold the paper into another small square. From this square, you see, and then we need to fold another square as well. And then we have to turn over the paper and then we have to fold the paper again. And we will see in front there will be 4 and behind there will be this shape. Once we already have that, we have to pull out the petals of the water lily. As I'm seeing that, it's a quite struggle to pull out the petals of the water lily. Once we have already pulled out, and then it will have this shape. Already, once we have this shape, we have to pull out the base. This is the base, so we have to pull out. It will be looks as the water lily's leaves. These are the final look. So these are the final look.
Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do the ice cream origami. First, you need this square sheet of paper. Then you have to fold it half like this to make the triangle. Unfold it. Then this part you have to fold it to the center like this. Do the same thing on this other side. This. Then these two flap here. Fold it like this and make sure it's in the right angle. Do the same thing on this side and flip it. Fold the sticky out here and here too. Then this part you have to fold it center like this. Do the same thing on this side like this, and you can see it is almost look like ice cream. This, then you have to fold it to make the ice cream on the top. Fold it back in, out, in and out. Then your ice cream is done.
So let's start. First, fold the diagonally both ways and unfold it like this. Then fold in half again by folding the top and half back and unfold it like this. Okay, then next bring the left and right creases together to form the triangle. Okay, and it could be like this, like this. After that, fold the upper layer only like this. Okay, like this. Then fold behind. Actually, you don't fold the behind like this. Okay, like this. You don't have to press these 2 points. Okay, like this. And the last you can simply press the bottom like this. Okay, you see? Okay, like this. Press the button. Okay, so we are done. This is my butterfly. Thank you, everyone. Origami is actually so cute and give its own benefit for us. Why I'm saying that origami give us a benefits? It is because by folding the origami, we can develop hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and mental concentration. So that's all from us. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.